Hello everyone, this is Student Affairs. Let's look at abbreviations, initialism, acronym. There are differences between these three. They are not the same. Sometimes it can be very confusing. Let's look at abbreviation. Abbreviation is when two or more letters in a word is representing that word. When you have two or more letters in a word representing the word is abbreviation. For example, prof from professor, inch from engineer, mr from Mr. diff from difference. These are abbreviations where one or two letters represent the word. It is abbreviation. Let's look at initialism. Initialism is formed from the first letters of two or more words. For example, EFCC. E is getting from a word, F from a word, C from a word, C again from a word. So initialism has to do with letters that represent words in a group of words. For example, we also have BBC is an initial. We also have NTA is an initial. We also have SON is an initial because they are first letters derived from group of words. We will come back to the full meaning. Then acronyms. We have things like SIM. We have things like RAM, ASAP, PIN. The difference between acronym and initialism is that acronym are pronounced. For example, SIM, but you cannot pronounce EFCC. RAM, ASAP, PIN. Acronyms can be pronounced as a word, while initials or initialism cannot be pronounced. Now let's look at the full meanings. Like I've told you, initials are gotten from first letters of a group of words. This is Economic and Financial Crimes Commission. E, economic. F, financial. C, crime. C, commission. So whenever you see things like that, like this, don't say that they are acronyms. They are words. They are initials or initialism. You'll be able to now know this is BBC, British Broadcasting Corporation, NTA, Nigerian Television Authority. This is SON, Standard Organization of Nigeria. So anytime you see words, letters representing group of words, it is initials or initialism and not acronyms and not abbreviations. Anytime you see a few letters from a word representing the word, it is abbreviation. So I trust you've been able to know the difference between abbreviation, initialism, and acronym. This is Student Affairs. Share this video. Follow for more.